Good morning, student. I am Devendra Singh Yadav. Today we will discuss about EVS chapter first. Who will do this? There is one story for you on page number first. In this story, there is two brother and sister. They both went to school, but Chintu doesn't like to go to school, and he was not also going school regularly. But his sister Meena, very sincere and very disciplined. She was going regularly school. Now, their grandfather teaches them how to sing and how to behave properly in their house or at school. Their parents also well aware of their behavior, their studies and so on. Now, think and say. So first question is that what would Chintu dislike going to school? Yes, you should write answer of this question yourself. So you think about what are the things that Chintu doesn't like in the school, or while going to school, or what are second question is that what would Chintu dislike in the school, or what things Chintu does like in the school, like like he doesn't like school homework or class work, punishment and scolding of teachers. So many things he doesn't like in the school. So you should write yourself. Now we will talk about primary duties. Primary duties means duties which should be followed by everyone, not for that yourself, for our environment, our society, our country and so on. So this is our moral duty to maintain and preserve our environment, our culture, discipline, etc. We all use water every day, but using water is not important. The important thing is that how we are using water facilities. Are we wasting water or throw the garbage in the dustbin and so many duties are there. So here I will discuss some primary duties. First is that respect our parents and elders. Second, to maintain discipline in the house and school. Third, we should utilize facilities wisely and properly. Means, I think you not understand third one. What are the facilities we have? We just use them wisely, not unnecessarily. If we need a bucket of water, so we use bucket of water instead of wasting water. If any facility is available, it's not for only you, it's for all of us. We should keep these things in our mind. Now come to the page number 2. Observation is there. So you can observe some 6 pictures are there. So you can observe first, second, third, fourth. Yes. So we should take the proper or good things by the right mark. Yes, you can observe. So which one is correct? This one is correct. Now we should use toilet in spite of going outside the jungle. Second is we should throw waste water in drainage, not outside the house. Third one, we should use dustbin to throw garbage in spite of outside the house. So these are the basic primary duties of every citizen of India. Come to the page number 3. Think and say. Think and say. First, do you throw garbage in dustbin? If you throw, you write here yes. If you not, you write here no. Second, do you use toilet? Third, do you wash your hand with soap before eating and after using the toilet? Do you realize dirty water through drain, gutter or safety tank? How many of your answer are yes? So there are 4 questions. If you got 4 yes answer, so you should maintain the environment. Okay, here on page number 1, right column is there, that is your homework. Which other primary duties should be followed? So some points are there, you should write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your homework, you should do it. Now we go to next page. Okay, on page number 4 there is a one column for you, public property. Public means for all, not only for a particular society, person, anything. Now there are many things, you can also read. There are many things in our village or streets, they are our facilities. What are the things we use is called facilities. There are such facilities which are not owned by any individuals but are used by everyone. So many facilities are there which are not used by any one person. It is used by all or everyone. Such properties are called public properties. The properties which are used by all the people is called public properties. Given below are the picture of such public properties which may also be found in your. So some facilities are there. You can easily observe in the picture. Pond is there, garden is there, temple is there, mosque is there, some other buildings also there. So on coming page number, here observation is there. You should write some which are the public properties. Write the names of public properties. Now second one for you, and second one is public properties in your surrounding. So you should write that this is your homework, both the things. If you find any difficulties, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group while you are watching or taking the class. Thank you.